Hi, I'm Sophie from Just Fabrics. Today we're going to show you how to make self-covered buttons. They're a great thing that you can add on to clothes or homewares, like we've done here on this top. There is cover buttons down the back there. It's just a little bit different than just using sort of a metal button or a pearl button, and it's great because you can use lots of different fabric scraps and things you've got lying around. So all you need for the cover buttons is a small piece of fabric, depending on how many you're making. The packet of cover buttons, we've got the 15mm size, an unpicker and a pair of scissors. So the first thing will be that when you get your self-cover buttons, depending on what size they are, there's a little template on the back of the cardboard. So you want to cut that out with reference to the size that you need. For a beginner, I would say making it slightly bigger than the recommended size is useful when you're getting started, because it can be very fiddly otherwise. So then you've got your template, and we're going to use that to chalk round to give us a rough idea of where we want to cut the fabric. And then you want to cut your piece out for your button. So when you get your button out of the packet, it will come in two parts. So this is the front side, and then this will clamp onto the back of the button and keep the fabric in place. So we don't need that for a moment. If you put your piece of fabric that you've cut out face down, and you set the button as central as possible on top of that. And I found the best tool to use to get the fabric to grip onto the teeth which are inside the button is to use an unpicker. So if you hold the button in place, you can lift up the fabric and smooth it over the edge, and then push against the teeth inside the button, and they will grip the fabric. You want to make sure you tuck the fabric as far underneath the teeth as possible, so that when you put the back clamp on, it's got enough space and the fabric's not obstructing it in any way. That's why sort of craft cottons and thinner fabrics are a good place to start with doing cover buttons, because they fold up nice and neatly. So then you've got all the fabric pushed into the teeth, and you want to take the back. The side facing down will be the side that's got a sharper ridge right on the edge. You want that to face downwards, so the button will line up with the hook, and you want to press down, and you'll hear a pop, and it will sort of clamp in place and secure the fabric, and then you've got your cover button.